Hello students, I am Meenakshi Sharma and I will teach you biology. Okay, so now today we are going to start a biology class. Okay, and now as you know everybody that due to the pandemic coronavirus our course is deleted, 30% course is deleted. Okay, and now today we will start the unit 5. Okay, that is a human physiology. Okay, and in the human physiology we will study about the, like in the 10th class we have studied about the life process chapter. Okay, in the life process we have studied about the different processes of life like digestion, okay, respiration, excretion, like this. So in this also, in the human physiology also we will study about this all the systems in the description word. Okay, so now the first chapter of this unit 5. Okay, then first chapter is now deleted. Okay, so now we'll start first chapter, mean chapter 16. Okay, of this unit is deleted, that was digestion and absorption. Now we'll start the chapter 17. Okay, chapter 17, that is the breathing and exchange of gases. Now let's see the student chapter 17, breathing and exchange of gases. Okay, and you have studied about it also in the 10th class also. Okay, respiration chapter we have studied, respiratory system we have studied. Okay, get it? So now what are the subtopic of this chapter? The subtopics are respiratory organ, okay, mechanism of breathing. Firstly we will study about the respiratory organs, mechanism of breathing, exchange of gases, okay, transport of gases and regulation of respiration, get it, and disorder of respiratory systems. Okay, so these are the subtopics that we'll cover in this chapter. Okay, and everybody knows that, as you have read earlier also, that oxygen is utilized by the organism to directly break down nutrient molecules like glucose and to derive the energy, okay, and to perform the various activities. Okay, that is the respiration. What is the respiration? Now everybody knows. Okay, respiration means the utilization of food. Okay, you can say utilization of food, yeah, breakdown of food to produce energy, okay, by the nutrients, okay, mean food. That is the respiration, get it? Okay, and the carbon dioxide which is harmful for us, it is released in this process. Okay, get it? And therefore evident that oxygen has to be continuously provided to the cells and CO2 produced by the cells have to be released out. And this process of exchange of O2, here you can say oxygen from the atmosphere with CO2 produced by the cells, is called the breathing. Okay, that is the breathing and commonly known as respiration. Okay, but there is a difference in the breathing and respiration. Breathing means exhale of CO2 and inhale of oxygen, that is the breathing. Okay, get it? But the respiration, in the respiration you can say the food, yeah, nutrients, okay, nutrients break down, okay, large like glucose is our food, okay, it's break down into a energy, yes, and produce carbon dioxide. That is the respiration. Okay, get it? So there is a difference between this. Breathing you can say is a physical process and the respiration is a chemical process also. Okay, and everybody knows, we have studied in the 10th class also, तो respiration, about the respiration we have studied. Okay, तो हम जो खाना खाते हैं, न्यूट्रिएंट्स लेते हैं, वो क्या होता है, हमारी बॉडी सेल्स के अंदर वो फूड का क्या होता है, ब्रेकडाउन होता है, और वो फूड ब्रेकडाउन होके क्या प्रोड्यूस करेगा, एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस करेगा, ओके, एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस करेगा. Get it? And we have studied about the aerobic and anaerobic respiration also. In the aerobic, okay, breathing is a physical process. In the, we exhale CO2 and inhale the oxygen. Okay, get it? Like when we touch, okay, when we touch our chest, you can see, okay, जब हम अपना chest, when we touch our chest, then you can feel the chest moving up and down. Okay, so this is the breathing process. Because of the breathing process, oxygen is, we are inhaling the oxygen and we are exhaling the carbon dioxide. Okay, get it? So now What are the respiratory organs? You know that mechanism of breathing vary among different groups of animals, and it is depending mainly on their habitats and level of organization. ओके, अब ब्रीदिंग जो ऑर्गन्स होते हैं वो डिफरेंट एनिमल्स में डिफरेंट होते हैं. वो किस पे डिपेंड होता है? एक तो फर्स्टली द हैबिटेट ऑफ द एनिमल्स एंड सेकेंडली देयर लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, कि उनका लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मीन वो कितने डेवलप्ड हैं. ओके, छोटे एनिमल्स हैं, यूनिसेलुलर हैं या मल्टी सेलुलर, इट इज़ डिपेंड ऑन द लेवल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, लाइक लोअर जो इनवर्टिब्रेट्स लाइक स्पॉन्जेस, okay, coelenterate, flatworms, etc. exchange oxygen with CO2 by the simple diffusion. okay, only वो अपनी स्किन के थ्रू, डिफ्यूज़न के थ्रू स्किन से ही क्या हो जाता है उनके रेस्पिरेशन, सॉरी वी कैन से इट्स अ रेस्पिरेशन ही होता है एक्चुअली, ब्रीदिंग रेस्पिरेशन. ओके, फ्रॉम द बॉडी सरफेस, एंटायर बॉडी सरफेस दे डू द breathing, yeah, you can say they do the respiration. okay, like you know everybody that earthworm use its moist cuticle, okay, skin. okay, insects have a network of tubules, spiracles. okay, you have studied tubules network is there that are known as tracheal tubes to transport the atmospheric air within the body. okay, and fish, you everybody knows fishes, aquatic animals या aquatic arthropods है like mollusk. okay, so some have a gills and some have a lungs. get it? so this is depend on the habitat also. okay, it is vary in the different groups of animals. get it? अलग अलग एनिमल्स में अलग अलग क्या है, ब्रीदिंग ऑर्गन या रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स हैं. ओके, लाइक रेप्टाइल्स हैं, बर्ड्स, मैमल्स. ओके, जो क्या हैं किसके थ्रू करते हैं, रेस्पायर किसके थ्रू करेंगे, लंग्स के थ्रू करेंगे. एम्फीबियंस लाइक फ्रॉग, यू एवरीबडी नोज frog can respire through its moist skin and as well as they're having a lungs also. And mammals have a well developed respiratory system. okay, so now this is the introduction of this chapter. okay, further we will study in the next video.